Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word chaos in English. So here we've got the script from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and you can see that this word is composed of 2 syllables and that the stress, the strongest part of the word, is on that first syllable, K, chaos. So focusing on that first syllable in terms of the actual sounds then, we've got the k sound at the beginning, which is not voiced, and then we've got a double vowel, which when we pronounce it is A. So together that's K, K. The second syllable then, we've got a short O vowel and the unvoiced S. So together that's os, os. So bringing it all back together, remember, stress the first syllable, repeat after me nice and loud, chaos, chaos, chaos. Now, top tip for this video, sometimes you're going to find English words that begin with a CH pronounced ch, like chicken and church. And so the number one mistake I hear from my students with this word is people wanting to pronounce it with a ch, chaos. But it's not, it's a k, no voicing, k, chaos, chaos. So that's your takeaway tip for today. It's not a ch, it's a k, chaos. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave a comment or share with your friends. And check out the homepage if you get a chance so that you can see which other lovely videos we've got. Hopefully it's organised nicely into playlists so there's no chaos for you. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. Bye.